All right, let's do this. In just the next 5 minutes, we are going to take you from a complete Google Calendar newbie to an absolute scheduling pro. So let's get right into it. I mean, that's what it's all about, right? Taking back control of your day, actually boosting your productivity, and, finally stopping that dreaded double booking. This tool can get you there, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Okay, so we've got a 5-step game plan. We'll kick things off with just finding your way around, and then we'll level up all the way to making the calendar your own, so it fits you perfectly. All right, section 1. First up, let's just get you comfortable with the main screen. Think of this as your command center for everything. So when you first open it up, you're looking at the week view. See that little red line right there? That's the current time, so you always have your bearings. And that mini calendar over on the left, that's your best friend for jumping to any day, week, or month in a flash. But here's a pro tip right off the bat. The week view is awesome for spotting those empty spaces in your schedule. But for those crazy back-to-back days, you'll want to switch over to the schedule view. It just magically turns all that chaos into a simple, easy-to-read list. Okay, you know your way around. Now for the fun part. Let's actually put something on the calendar. It's time to create your first event. This is the real building block for your entire schedule. And honestly, it couldn't be easier. It's really just 4 quick steps. You click a time slot, pop in a title, and then, this is key, click more options for all the good stuff. Fill in the details, hit save, and you're done. All right, this next part is where you go from just using the calendar to really mastering it. These features are what give you total, complete control over your time. We're going to zoom in on 4 absolute game changers here. Setting up events that repeat automatically, getting your reminders just right, inviting other people and seeing when they're free, and of course, adding a video call link or a location. Just think about it. That weekly team meeting, that monthly dentist appointment, instead of putting it in every single time, you just set it to repeat. You can pick the usuals like daily or weekly, or get super specific with a custom schedule like every 3rd Friday. It is a massive time saver. Okay, pay close attention to this one because this is something that trips up so many people. Availability, setting yourself as busy or free, that's all about what other people see when they try to invite you to something. If you're busy, they get a heads up. Now, visibility is totally different. That controls who can see the details of your event. So you can be busy for an hour, but keep what you're doing completely private. Okay, let's get into the really powerful stuff. Collaboration and organization. This is how you manage your entire life. Work, family, side projects, you name it, all in one spot without it turning into a total mess. And here's the secret sauce. Stop jamming everything onto one calendar. Seriously, create a separate color-coded one for work, another for personal, maybe one for family. Then you can look at them all at once or just click to turn them on and off. This is, and I'm not kidding, the key to seeing your whole life at a glance while still keeping things separate. It's like organizational magic. And when you go to share these calendars, you have so much control. You can let a coworker just see when you're busy, but not what you're doing. Or you could give your partner full details for the family calendar. You can even give an assistant full power to make changes for you. It's super flexible. And for our final section, let's pop the hood and dive into the settings. With just a few simple tweaks, you can make Google Calendar work exactly the way you work. Think of these as quick wins you can do right now. If most of your meetings are 30 minutes long, why not make that the default? If your work week starts on a Monday, change the calendar to match. You can even do cool stuff like create a custom 4-day view or just hide weekends entirely if you want to stay focused. Oh, and here's a tool that is so powerful, but so many people forget about it, that little search bar. Can't remember when that Project Apollo meeting was? Just type it in. You can search by the name, who was there, a date range. It's an incredible way to find literally anything in your schedule, past or future. And just like that, you've done it. We've gone from the absolute basics of getting around, all the way to the pro strategies for customizing and collaborating. You are now officially in control of your schedule. So there's really only one question left. What's the very first thing you're going to organize? Are you going to set up that reoccurring meeting, create a new personal calendar? Whatever it is, go do it right now and put these new skills to work.